Hey guys, Mike Cosmic Creations here. Gonna do a quick video of a 5-row kit going out for a player slingshot. Just finished this up. I've got a couple things going out tomorrow. Got an eyebrow kit for one customer. I've got an underbody kit. I've got this kit here and some other stuff, but that's off eBay. So anyway, just want to show these off real quick. Again, you know, your direct bolt-on rings. Gonna fire these up, let you see what they look like real quick, how bright they are. All the lights are off in the shop. Just got a window. And so anyway, there's a link in the video description, by the way, that'll take you to the website where you can see prices for these kits and all of the others. If you've seen something on another slingshot that you liked, but you don't see the pictures on my website, just let me know. I can build that for you, whatever it is. All right, we do lots of custom one-off things like that aren't necessarily on the website, but we can still build them for you. So anyway, I'm gonna stretch over here and flip the switch. There we go. Camera has to adjust real quick. Obviously, these are alternating directions. This is what we'll do the most of. As far as rim lights go, I get asked a lot of times, you know, what's the most popular ones. Honestly, we do either a 4-row or a 6-row the most. I sell a decent amount of 8 rows, but that's going to be the guys who just want the biggest, the best bragging rights. A 5-row is kind of abnormal. Just don't do a lot of 5 rows. It's either usually 4 or 6, but this is a good example here of what a 5-row looks like. And I mean, this thing will light up everything around you. So if you're looking for something that's really, really bright, these are the lights you want. We use the brightest LEDs that are currently available on the market. These do pull a little bit more current than your other cheaper stuff that you're going to find on eBay, Amazon, places of that nature. You also won't find these at very many. In fact, there's only one other vendor I know of that does these exact same ones. So these are lifetime warranty on the lights. Shop provides labor and materials. Customer pays for shipping replacements. And the kits are fully expandable. So they're Bluetooth, they're smartphone controlled, and you can expand the kit as you go. So if you want to start with rim lights like these, and then you later want to move on to an eyebrow kit or an underbody kit or a hood kit or something like that, you can do that. And all you have to do is add in the signal amplifiers to keep boosting your signal so you can keep going and going bigger and bigger. So anyway, again, there's a link to the website. We can see these prices for these kits and options. Everything's out in the open, no hidden stuff. If you have any questions, hit me up, let me know, drop a comment. I appreciate the likes. And other than that, we'll see you guys on the next video.